Alright, so it's April 14th, and they said that this is going to be a big storm coming ahead here today. Hutchinson, Kansas. It's about 12:30 p.m. and I can already see that the stuff's going on right now. They're talking something that hasn't happened in 28 years. Big storm. Whatever, F5 tornadoes, 70-mile-an-hour winds. This is going to be some crazy shit happening if they say what they're predicting. They said it's the second time in recorded history they've ever seen anything this big hit the Midwest. 24 hours in advance prediction. And that's never happened before. And I already feel it. Feels like death in the air, you know, based on all the stuff I read up to this point. But hey, history hasn't been made yet, but I'm feeling like it's gonna get pretty crazy this afternoon. And this time it's very serious. They're thinking fatalities very likely. Maybe I'll get some more videos going if I can. This thing doesn't have a lens cap, so I can't. When it starts raining, I can't prevent that from getting wet. Alright, so there's been storms going out pretty much all throughout Kansas all today and some of the Midwest. It's about 5:45 in the evening, and the first raindrops are coming out. Storm southwest of here, moving, I think, northeast is what they said. I can't see anything. These lights up here keep kind of going dimming in and out every now and then. Not much rain today. About 10:30 at night. I wonder how good this is actually picking it up.